After discovering this trick, my house smells like a rich man's house. This tip is very simple and with few ingredients. You will be impressed by the smell that your home will get. To start today's tip, in a container, we will add coarse salt. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Miriam ABR from Tehran. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. We just spread it all over the container like this. Now we will use 2 tablespoons of alcohol, being the second item for this tip, and responsible for exhaling the aromas used in this mixture. Once added, we will mix well. I'm sure this quick and easy tip will make your day-to-day easier. The main item of this mixture, and which will bring the smell that your home needs, is disinfectant. I will use only a small amount, which is equivalent to 50 milliliters, and we will mix well. If necessary, you can even increase the amount of disinfectant if you prefer. This tip also works perfectly. Also using fabric softener. Whenever we add, we will mix again. The last item I will use in this tip will be the cloves. In addition to bringing a great aroma, they help spread the smell of disinfectant and also prevent the entry of insects in your house. I am sure that these items used together will be the solution to keep your home always clean and fragrant. Do not worry about the amount of any of the ingredients we will use. The duration of this product is up to a month, which will make it worth every amount. This tip works so well that whenever I receive visitors, my visitors ask me what the secret is. Because I have this mixture scattered throughout the house, I use it mainly in the bathroom, thus avoiding bad smell. If you prefer, you can even use different disinfectant smells for different rooms in your home by the use of coarse salt. All disinfectant and alcohol will remain active all the time in this tip, even in the bathroom after use. And keeping this tip active, I no longer suffered from bad smell. And even in other rooms after cleaning. Also keep this tip always ready. For sure all visits will notice the great aroma all the time in your home. Thank you for watching this tip so far. See you in the next video. Bye.